Hey everybody, this is Hutch the Barber, and today I am doing my very first unboxing. And as you can see, I have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The S10 Plus is a phone that I've also been waiting on, as a lot of you YouTubers out there. And I'm a bit nervous. This is my very first time, but I'm going to try to jump into it and not try to mess this up too bad. We have a 5-camera device, three cameras on the back, 2 on the front. We have a 12 megapixel telephoto camera on the back. We also have a 12 megapixel wide angle camera on the back with a 16 ultra wide camera as well on the back. And the front, we have a 10 megapixel selfie camera with an 8 megapixel RGB depth camera. Now, this is probably the best device that I've seen by Samsung. I've owned several Samsung devices, and I'm actually recording this video on the Galaxy Note 9. With this, device, it's supposed to be the best one out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get right into it, unboxing. I got my little trusty unboxing knife. I'm going to cut right in here. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh man, I can't wait. Here we are. Before I get into that, let's see what comes in the box. We have a fast charging brick. We have the data dongle where you can transfer information from one device to another. Let's see. We also have our, looks like a USB-C charging cable. Set that to the side. And AKG has blessed us again with the earbuds. These earbuds are a favorite in my house. Let's see, we have, braided cable. Down here on the bottom, it's a braided cable, and up top, it's rubberized. Take these out without breaking them up. We have some additional tips for earbuds, and everybody's, inside of their ears are a little bit different. These are actually pretty good. They sound good. They feel good in the ears. I got a pair with my Note 8, Note 9, and now with my S9, my kid's S9, and now my S10. But let's look at the device. Oh man, this one is the Prism Blue. Oh man, that is nice. Wow. Man, this is nice. Go ahead and snatch this off the back. Woo. And as you can see, it already has a screen protector on it. Wow, I thought it was going to be something in the box, but apparently not. I'm going to go ahead and power this up. Man, this is really, really nice. Look at that. From things that I've heard, that the camera on this is phenomenal. I hear that the fingerprint sensor is really great. Oh man. So what I'm going to do here is let's see, we have our Wi-Fi calling. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pause the video. I'm going to put my information in, and we can get into a little bit more looking at the camera and things like that. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, so while in the process of putting my information in, I get a security update for the device. So this is going to take a few minutes, and once this is done, I'll get right back to you. Okay, now that we are all updated, one of the key features in this device that actually drew me to it was the fact that we have a in-screen fingerprint sensor, which I'm going to attempt to activate now. So let's go into biometrics and security. Okay, it is facial recognition, fingerprints. One second, let me put my pattern in. Confirmed. All right, now scan your fingerprint, place your finger on the sensor. Let's see how well this works. Oh, you need a little bit of pressure. It's actually reading it a lot faster than I thought. It's got a little bit of haptic feedback when you press on the screen. Wow, this is probably the coolest thing I've seen on a device yet. Let's see how well this fingerprint sensor. They say you don't need to have the screen on. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's cool. That's fast. Oh man. Now, if anybody's going to do anything good or spectacular like this, it will be Samsung. Oh man, no screen on. That's quick. That's really, really quick. And I didn't expect it to be as quick as it is. They say it was going to be. I didn't believe them, but firsthand, the fingerprint sensor is probably the best ones. Wow. Let's take a look at this camera. Man, let's see what the settings are for the camera. Okay, you get screen optimizer, flaw detection, motion photos. You get a bunch of options, no different than the Note 9 or the S9 Plus. And I normally go full UHD, front and back. I just like the sharpness of each picture. That's just something that I just always liked. My line kind of work that I do, like I said, I'm a barber, so when I take a photo of someone's haircut, I like to get a really good, clean picture of the person. So let's take a quick picture and see how that looks. Oh man. Oh, that's really, really nice. Really, really nice. Let's check this live focus. Oh, wow. Some people don't like the live focus with the flash, but to me, it doesn't bother me too much. I can do with or without the flash. Oh man, this is awesome. I just love it. The different effects in the live focus. Oh yeah, I will definitely be taking pictures with this tomorrow. I'm in love. And I hope you guys enjoy your S10 Plus. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Pretty soon there will be a unboxing of the Galaxy Buds once I get those. Oh, one more key feature that I would like to show everyone: wireless power share. This is something that I absolutely love, because I have the Galaxy Gear S3, which I've had for a while, and sometimes my watch will go dead while I'm at work and I need to charge it, but boom, right then and there, it's charging on its own. There's no cords, no nothing. This is one of the good features that anybody could come up with, is you can charge your devices with no cords on the run and be fully satisfied. Like that's epic for me. That's probably one of the best things. Then again, you want to roll with your kids. Kid's phone starts to die. Well, you can charge it right here. I don't know if you heard it, but this is probably the best feature that they can come up with yet. Let's do that again. Boom. Thank you for coming by, watching this video. Like, subscribe, comments. Please keep them positive and clean. If you have an S10 Plus, please let me know in the comments, what you like about it the most. You guys have a good one. Take care.